you must know how many days your company operate. Berapa lama? Satu bulan. You open 24 hours ataupun all days you open ke? Kalau all days you tulis kat situ 30 hari kan? Kalau you hanya operate 20 hari, so then you tulis ini 20 hari. So then the amount tadi you need to divide dengan jumlah you bekerja tadi lah, berapa hari you bekerja sebulan. So you akan dapat output per day. Alright, so then you akan dapat output per day. So, tetapi di sini you kena tahu yang you kena add with the safety stock. Okay, safety stock is actually additional inventory in order to reduce risk caused by fluctuation in supply and demand. So kalau you tengok kat sini, these are the same calculation yang you calculate before, but then you must just add the safety stock percentage here. Katalah you define yang you nak ada safety stock 50%, so you times the total output per month and also per day with 50%. The amount percentage of the safety stock must not more than 20%. Daripada range 1% hingga 20%. That one you need to decide. Okay. Alright, kelas sekejap Alright. So nanti kalau you tengok once you dah add additional 50%, you tengok dia punya amount kat sini ada slightly increase. Before safety stock, you got how many? You produce 40 units. And after you include the safety stock percentage, you will produce 46 unit per day. Okay. And then once you done this, you kena buat requirement planning. What is requirement planning? You need to list the raw materials yang you perlukan untuk produce item yang you kata you nak produce kat atas tadi. Okay, tadi you calculate, ni example Before this, you calculate per month, you kena produce 1,045 unit. In order to produce 1,000 unit, how many material yang you required? And what are the material involved? You need to list all the material in the first column and then together with the quantity as well as the price. The price ni mesti follow the current market price together with the supplier yang mana you beli tadi. Okay, the supplier must complete address semua lah Company's name, company address and also telephone numbers. Okay. Next, kalau you tengok dekat you punya module, you kena calculate a bill for each item. I don't want you to do this. Example 27 you ignore and also example 28. Apa yang you perlu buat hanyalah example 26, this one aja. Maksud dia this one is output per month sahaja. Alright. Once you done this, you proceed with list of operation personnel and remuneration. So here, same as your marketing plan, under operation, you need to have workers as well. So you kena define lah what are the position yang you required, apa activity yang you perlukan. If let's say you open a restaurant, so adakah your restaurant requires a waitress ataupun you punya restaurant self-service. Okay, apa lagi yang you perlukan, cleaner ke, cashier ke, apa yang you perlukan. So then you need to list together with the number of personnel. Once you list out all the numbers personnel here, you transform dia dalam schedule of remuneration. So you just bagi gaji lah tadi kat berapa ramai pekerja yang tadi you ada. So then you totalkan together with EPF and SOCSO. This table you just copy paste daripada table marketing plan sebelum ni. You ada marketing budget punya gaji kan, you just copy here and replace with the position under operation. Okay, you must make sure position yang you listkan dekat sini is actually position, is a job position person who are doing operation punya activities. Jangan kata dia buat aktiviti lain, you masukkan kat sini. No, hanya pekerja yang melakukan aktiviti operasi untuk make sure that your business runs smoothly. Alright. And then next one, 6 steps is list of machinery and equipment. Okay, in order to produce, contoh tadi tu, in order to produce bahulu kan, because warisan bonda ni dia producing bahulu. Untuk produce bahulu, what are the machine ataupun equipment yang you perlukan? Contoh dia oven, mixer, molding. Kalau you different, you tak gunakan this molding, you need to change lah the item into your suits your business. Meaning you need to change the machine and equipment that suits your business. Okay, kalau katalah you tak ada langsung menggunakan equipment, so you let it blank. So tak perlu buat pun table ni. Okay, macam contoh student daripada 5C. They are doing application. So in order to produce apps, dia tak perlukan apa-apa. Dia kata. Tetapi you kena ingat. And then dia kata dia tak perlukan juga production people. You kena ingat in order to develop the apps tadi kan, your apps tadi tu, siapa yang develop? Who are the developer? Kalau developer is your own worker, so then you kena taruh kat situ kan. Siapa? Apa jawatan dia? Apps developer. So berapa ataupun because the apps developer function dia kena juga update the apps. So then how much you pay? That's why you need to put under operation. Why even you tak ada physical shop. Alright? Okay. Untuk machine ni pun you kena letaklah name of supplier daripada mana you beli all those machineries. Okay, so make sure machine yang you beli tu following market price, and also you must find the cheapest price as possible in order to reduce you punya cost, supaya nanti you punya financial plan you akan dapat profit margin lah instead of losses. Alright. And then step 7 is to draw the layout, company's layout ataupun operation layout. So what is layout? Layout ni sebenarnya you nak draw the arrangement of physical resources. Because previously you mentioned you ada machine, equipment, you ada pekerja. So how you allocate them? So how you arrange them? So must be based on certain layout lah. Number one layout yang you boleh gunakan is based on product. This one is suitable for company that producing a product in continuous flow production. Okay, this one is just an example, tetapi you may draw other than this according to your own interior design. Okay, kalau you tengok dekat sini, dia following step by step in order to produce apa barang dia until finish good storage here. Alright, and then next one. Yang tu saya ignore Yang tu dia tak pernah buat. Yang kedua tu, kita terus pergi jump kepada marketing. The other one yang you boleh gunakan is based on marketing. Okay, contoh dia, if let's say you open a cafe, so you may follow this layout. Tetapi you need to change the arrangement lah. You tak ada aisle, contoh dia kat sini, you tak ada trolley. Tetapi you change with a tables, numbers of table, apa lagi yang you ada. So then how about your oven, semua kan cafe kan. So apa lagi yang you ada, you kena mention dalam you punya layout. Okay, next one is to define and justify the location site. So previously dalam introduction lagi you dah bagi tahu, you dah already mention your business will be operated in Johor Bahru contoh dia. So here under location you kena justify why are you choosing that location as your business area. your business location. Kenapa? So dekat sini dia dah bagi tahu jawapan dia. Ada bulat ni kan. Okay, you may choose from this. The justification may come from this point. Contoh, you tengok business you, betul ke near to raw material? Betul ke in your area having high demands in labor supply? Ada high in labor supply ataupun good infrastructure, contoh kat sini, good infrastructure. Ataupun kalau tengok lagi kan kat sini ada contoh, is it true in your area ataupun in order to run your business you need to have a good climate, betul ke? Okay, contoh climate ni hanya untuk farm, contohnya strawberry farm, whatever farm lah yang required cold weather. Kalau kata you tak perlukan, you ignore this point, you ambil point yang lain untuk you explain betul ke in your area having a good security, less robbery kat situ happen. Okay, you kena justify according to your location. Contoh dekat sini dia ada bagi tahu, if let's say your firm is manufacturing, producing goods and also service activity, they having a different justification. Okay. And then kalau you tengok lagi example 32 ya, this one example taken from I think a previous last 2 or 3 years previous student. So this student dia jual apa ni? Sekejap. Okay, dia punya barang tadi, dia punya traditional kuih bahulu dia tadi tu, dia punya lokasi dekat Kampung Morton, Melaka ni Kampung Morton, Melaka. And then how this group justify, dia kata because it is easier for our customer to drop by. This one lebih kepada false statement sebenarnya. Kampung Morton ni, siapa orang Melaka, Kampung Morton ni dia punya parking lot pun agak limited because dia kawasan yang sempit. And then this student dia punya, you tengok ya, dia ada bagi Google Map punya picture dekat sini, dia screenshot the Google Map. The Google Map pun tak nampak di mana Kampung Morton tu, kena pakai kanta baru saya nampak. Tak nampak, tak keluar dia actually the balloon here is actually the red balloon is the Kampung Morton, tetapi you need to a bit zoom in instead of zoom out. You zoom in, you akan nampak lah kan the area of your location. Alright. This one is not a very good justification lah because you need to tally betul ke Kampung Morton having a lot of infrastructure contoh dia. Tetapi dia justify easy to drop by macam mana, melalui boat ke, sebelah situ banyak boat pelancong kan saya tengok. Unless you nak parking jauh dekat belakang Hospital Putra. Alright, and then number 9, step 9 is operation overhead. Okay, operation overhead is other costs that are not related with your direct labor ataupun direct materials yang you dah explain tadi kan. You ada bagi tahu you nak beli raw materials, you nak beli machine, equipment, tetapi ini selain daripada tu. Contoh operation is insurance. Insurance ni contoh fire insurance untuk your building ataupun maintenance. Maintenance here referring to your equipment and machinery equipment. Machine and equipment punya maintenance because katalah oven, whatever machine yang you beli tu every month they require maintenance. So how much you pay per month. Ni contohlah. Ataupun it's not a monthly basis, sometimes it's yearly basis. Alright, that's why you need to put under overhead. And after that, second last step is the production budget. So the budget format dia sama je macam the marketing plan punya budget. Tetapi you need to change lah, you copy the table but then you need to change the item. Item ni apa yang you dah tulis sebelum ni kan. You nak beli mesin, you nak beli materials, bahan-bahan untuk membuat kuih tadi kan. So then you need to list here. Kalau you tengok kat sini, insurance and also deposit for utilities, dia letak other expenses, because saya cakap tadi kan it's not based on monthly, sometimes it's yearly basis, sometimes it's twice a year. Tu contoh lah. Tu you need to put under other expenses. If let's say your product is under fixed asset, you need to put under fixed asset. If let's say you have table, kursi meja, because you have cafe, so then that kursi table tadi, meja kursi tadi, you must put under fixed asset. Okay, ni contohlah dia ada factory renovation. If let's say you don't have factory, tak perlu letak ni. You need to replace with your own business punya activity dekat dalam item. Alright. And last one is steps 11, you kena develop project implementation schedule, yang mana you kena you draw a chart, ada 3 column here with activity, deadlines, duration. So carta ni you kena list all activity to complete, nampak ya, to complete the project with related deadline. Okay, tadi dalam operation you bagi tahu you ada beli apa? Beli raw materials, you ada machine, you ada pekerja. So you letaklah, that's why you tengok kat sini ada installation of machine, recruitment of labor, renovation of premise, sebab dia kata dia nak renovate factory. So now you kena bagi tahu how long does it take for you to do a recruitment of labor for your company. Okay, contoh kat sini a month taken for them to do a recruitment. So here you must remember that the deadline here must be before your company operate, before the dates of commencement. Katalah you punya business will start on 1st January 2022. So then all the activity involved here must start before 1st January. Ya, must remember before 1st January, maksud dia tahun 2021 lah kan. Katalah you start Oktober ataupun you may start January juga tahun 2021 in order to complete you punya operation schedule ni. Alright. Kalau katalah you tak nak guna this table, because this one is table is too simple. Kita nak yang nampak complicated sikit kan. Okay, you boleh gunakan this timeline. Timeline ni, untuk timeline schedule ni, you boleh Google. Ada banyak jenis schedule yang you boleh guna, and sometimes dekat online punya schedule tu you just calculate, dia akan generate the Gantt chart ataupun the chart for you, and then dia punya chart tu very nice chart. Alright. You boleh tengok sumber dia kat mana dapat sini. Alright. Okay, so far I'm done with chapter 11. Untuk your class, you have one online quiz, I think. Yeah, online quiz. It's not test, it's quiz. Quiz saya akan buat once I'm done chapter financial plan. InsyaAllah next week I akan habiskan sampai chapter financial plan, because management is sangat sikit lah, tu very easy, and then financial plan. Okay, and then saya rasa you better tunggulah kalau you nak compilekan together, it's easier. Tapi kalau kata you nak tunjuk juga you punya progress for production, is okay then. It's depend on you, it's up to you. Alright class, so far finish all under operation plan. Do you have any question nak tanya saya? Ada soalan tak? Yang mana nak tanya boleh tanya saya sekarang. Class, ada soalan?
Tak ada, madam.
Tak ada, okey tak ni? Sedih je, penat ke? Betul tak ada soalan?
Betul, madam, tak ada soalan.
yang ni cegah sikit. Okay, alright. Tu confirm tak ada soalan. Alright, kalau you tak ada soalan, don't forget to tick your attendance, you future. Ya, setiap minggu saya kena remind student saya. Ni, buka you future, tengok ya 24 orang ni. Sign attendance, verify you punya attendance. Okay, kalau tak ada soalan, I see you all. Hari ni kelas habis awal 10.40. Ni, ada lagi yang tak sign attendance. Okay, kalau tak ada soalan, I see you all next week insyaAllah. Assalamualaikum, bye.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, madam.